Welcome participants. Myself Dr. Urmila Shravankar, and today I am going to explain about the Google certificate. Nowadays everyone is very active for attending the FDP, STTP and lot many training programs. And we see we get the certificate also online. We are attending the courses online from the distance mode and we are getting the certificate also online, and that is automatic generated. Just we need to fill a form and we get a certificate instantly. Same time we get the certificate. No manual work is involved over, no paperwork is involved over, and still we are getting the certificate at our home wherever we are. Okay, so this particular magic is given by the Google form, and I hope you know how to create the Google form. But today I will be explaining you how to generate the certificate automatically through Google Form. Now only three steps are involved for that. First, you need to create a Google Form because this facility is given by the Google Form. Second thing, we need to create one template. Template is for the certificate. Generally, it is very easy to use a Google PPT, that is a slide, and we prepare our own certificate. You write down everything, whatever you want it, and then we need to link that certificate with the form. And for linking, the Certify EM is a Google Form add-on is available. We can use that add-on, and using that add-on, we can create our own certificate and we can get it through Google Form. Now first I will explain the step and then I will explain practically. Log into the Gmail and after that go to the Drive. This is the first thing. Why Drive? Because we need to create a Google form through the Drive, and because of that we need to go to the Drive. And for using the Drive, the Gmail account is very important, and we need to prepare our own Gmail account, and we have to log in for that. After that, creating a new button and then create your own form. As per the requirement of your certificate, you need to enter the field over there, like a name, institute name, whatever you want, you need to create the form. Then I have taken here full name, and after that, creating the form, we need to connect that particular form with a PPT, that means slide, or we can say it is a template for the certificate through the Certify. Now what do you mean by Certify EM? Certify EM is a control the power of the Google form to create online certification and email custom certification to the candidate. Certify EM is an add-on for the Google quizzes. Generally, when we write a Google form, we fill the Google form, some questions are there. And according to that question, it links. And that question is called as the Google queries. It extends the functionality of queries, send the certificate, and when someone pass, keep certificate record. Then Gmail account is required to use both all three, uh, we can say, services. The first service is the Google form, second service is the slide, and third service is the Certify. Now this is a simple step. After that we need to connect that. So if that add-on, the Certify is not present in your computer, just you go to that particular add-on button. I will show you practically from this services, open this services add-on and then install the Certify into your computer. After installing, you will get that Certify over here. Installation is complete. If installation is complete, you will get a button on your form so that that add-on Certify EM is present in your machine. This button is available now. That means it is successfully installed. After that, you need to select the template for the certificate. So after opening that add-on, then you need to fill the information and you have to select which particular slide which you have created for the certificate, you need to create it. Okay. And after that, you need to send that particular form. Log into that, click the drive, select the certificate. You can create your own certificate using any template. Ready-made templates are also available. And then finally, you need to link it. Custom template, and you need to link that. Select the new file, and after selecting the new file, you have to select that particular certificate, whatever you are giving the name. Practically, I am showing it. And then you need to send that particular form to the attendee. Then for sending the form, email ID is very, very important. You need to fill that form, submit it. Once you submit the form, automatically you will get a response for both. First is whatever the information you are sending through form, and the second thing, the complete certificate will be available in your email ID. This is the certificate. It is ready for me, and then you can do it. Okay. Now I will show you practically how to do that. Demonstration I will be giving you. The first login. Login to your Gmail account. It is login now. Now go to the drive. In the drive, first you have to select the form. Or you can create a PPT also, no problem at all. Whatever it is easy for you, you can do it. I am creating a form. That is the form I have created for this particular certificate purpose. Only 2-3 fields are taken. If you want more field, you can add it using this button. This is the add question button, and you can add it. If you want color and all, you can use this, and I hope you have already completed the Google form session. Email ID is the mandatory because we are doing all the activity through email ID. Full name. It should be appeared on your certificate. That's why it is very, very important. Then course name. Course name, you are getting the certificate. Definitely you need to write down the course name. And because of that, I have prepared it mandatory. Now one query should be there, and only using this query, Google will link the query option with the form. And that's why I have taken query as a city. 2-3 city I have given. You can add more, or you can add any control over there. From the drop down box also you can select it. And I want date of that particular course. The date format is by default month, day, and year. Okay, this form is now ready. After completing that particular form, what we need to do? We need to prepare one slide, and in that particular slide, we have to add this field name. First field name is our full name, and city name. Date is also there. Okay, these 2-3 questions we need to add in the form. Again, go to the Google Drive. Now select one particular PPT. This is the slide. This is the slide. I have prepared this slide. In that slide, the certificate template I have taken from the internet. This is the ready-made template. You can prepare, you can design your own template, or directly you can again take from the internet. In that certificate, I want full name of that particular candidate, and it should be the full name I have given in the form, and that's why I'm using the full name. Okay, full name is here, that's why I'm using it. It is a variable. Okay, it is a variable. You have to take that variable. Then here it has taken the other identifier for the course name, and that's why I have taken as it is. Then date I have taken. This your slide means it is the template for the certificate is ready. I'm saving using the name AMT training. Okay, because I need to link over there, and for linking that, I have saved that particular template using the AMT training. Now my form is ready, from where I'm taking the question and answer from the candidate. Now my template is ready. I'm linking this question of and answer with that particular form using the full name, and these are the variable name. I have colored it using the other options are there. Preparation of the slide. I hope you are also completed that particular session. Now both things are ready. Now my theme, only my job is to link both the things. So go to the Google form. In that Google form, I told you that add-on button should be there. So add-on is there and I have linked certify. You click on add-on, you go to the certify EM. It will ask you, show the certify EM control. Yes, I want to see the control over there. It is starting, and in that control, that certificate is on. If it is off, you need to turn it. That means it should be on. Yes, mine is on now. And suppose you are doing first time that particular add-on, then you need to do on. Turn off, turn on. So you need to turn on this. This is the certificate record. It will maintain it. Now here, I'm not keeping any percentage for the passing for generation of the certificate. But this option is available. Suppose you are preparing that certificate for the quiz. If quiz is greater, your responses means your answers are more than 50%, then you can select it 50%, whatever you want the passing certificate. Then I have prepared it for the attendee, and that's why it is the 0%. Now here the template option is there. My job is to add the AMT training template. How it is add? Use custom template. Okay, and from custom template, you will get what are the templates are available. Select new file. I need to take the AMT training because I have prepared that certificate for this particular demo. AMT training is selected now. Save the changes. As soon as you do the save changes, in front of your template, the name is given over there, that is AMT training. That means you have linked your form with the AMT training slide template using add-on. And what is the add-on I have selected here? Certify EM. That is my add-on. That is so simple. Now my job is over. It is automatically saving in the Google Drive, no problem. No worry about the saving and all. I'm minimizing this. Now you need to send the form. Now I will show you my inbox. At present, nothing is there. That means I have not sent any Google form and it is not appeared over here. Now I am sending that Google form. Go to the Google form and just click on the send. It will ask me email ID. Okay, the name is given over there because my form name is Amravati certificate. Send it. Now I will get a form. I will fill that form. Now again go to the email. I received Amravati certificate. That is just now I have created today new. Now I will fill this form. Again, email is mandatory for sending the form. Full name. It will appear on the certificate. Course name. Suppose G Suite. City name. Anything you can give. Now fill the date in the MMDD format. Today's date in my computer 06/28 and year is 2020. Okay. Now suppose I want to check what are the field data I have given. Then you can click on send me the copy of that responses, submit. Once you submit, again check the email. I got the responses. Okay, you can open it and you can check it. If it is correct, it's okay, fine. Otherwise, you need to correct that. Edit form is option is there and you need to correct it. Now again go to the inbox. My certificate is ready. Now your certificate is here and the name is Amravati certificate. And just now I got it. You open that certificate here itself. The certificate is ready. By mistakenly R is missing over there and that's why the spelling wrong is there, but okay, you can correct it. The name certificate, whatever your data you are filling, GSUIT and the on today's date. Now this is so simple for generation of the certificate. Now here one option is there, authorized signature. You can insert image for that particular signature at the time of preparing of that particular template so that you will get the certificate with the signature stamp, whatever it is, you can insert through your uh, Google slide. I have given you the option. I will show you how to insert that. Okay, insert image option is there and you can insert that particular signature image over here. That means your certificate will be ready with signature. If you want to add the stamp, you can add the stamp using the again insert image. It is so simple thing. You can prepare it your own certificate, training certificate wherever you are attending, and you can get that particular certificate using the email only. No need to go anywhere, no need to collect the certificate, and no paperwork is involved over there. Okay. I hope you understood all the steps. These are simple. Once you can see that, just only install is additional because in my computer it was installed. You can prepare your own certificate, use the custom template, and then you can add that template name. Here I have taken the Amravati certificate. You can check anything, select file, and you can add that particular certificate and then send it. Your certificate is ready. Okay, I hope everything is clear to you. And if you are having any doubt, difficulty, this is my contact information. You can send me any email, I will reply you. Thank you so much for patience listening and understanding all these technicality behind that. Thank you. And you can generate the thank you certificate also using the same procedure. Simultaneously also you can prepare your own certificate. Thank you so much.